He is now visiting the pole-bound state of West Bengal, and he will be also there in Assam as far as his visit to West Bengal and Assam on the 17th and the 18th of January, where he will be now flagging off India's first Vande Bharat sleeper train between Howrah and Guwahati. He will be laying the foundation stone and will be flagging off various development projects in the two pole-bound states, and will also be performing a Bhumi Pujan for the Kaziranga elevated corridor. Let's, in the meantime, connect with Rajesh. Rajesh, we are looking at the Prime Minister's visit that would be dedicated to laying the foundation stone for various rail and road projects that are said to be over 3,250 crores in Malda.
Absolutely. Malda district is all set to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We will be arriving in the district after a few hours. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi not will only flag off the Vande Bharat Express, he will also flag off and lay foundation stones of various central government's project for the people of Malda, including some developmental project regarding roads development and rail connectivity. He will be flagging off and lay foundation stones of many projects worth more than 3,250 crore rupees from Malda only. He will be holding the program at around 1:50 p.m. following which Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also hold a public rally in the same district. We should remember Malda is the district where people voted for BJP in last Lok Sabha election and Assembly election as well. Malda MP Khoghen Murmu has also got many votes from his area, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be holding the public rally today. So his visit in the pole-bound state, especially in the district of Malda, will be very significant before the election, high-voltage election in West Bengal for the state BJP leadership.
So these projects will be playing a vital role when it comes to building modern infrastructure and improve connectivity and strengthening the eastern and the northeastern regions as key growth engines of the nations. Let's take a look as far as this video that has been shared. Well, also, as we are looking at those pictures that are now coming in, the Vande Bharat, as the Prime Minister will be flagging off the country's first sleeper Vande Bharat Express today in Malda. And meanwhile, the railways have also sent a letter to the officer in charge of the Kaliachowk police station in Malda, stating that they apprehend stone pelting on the new train as soon as it departs from Malda, and black flags may also be shown to the Prime Minister. Therefore, adequate security forces should be deployed. Well, Pooja, are there concerns as far as what we are looking at Prime Minister's West Bengal visit is concerned, especially to Malda, where in the afternoon we are expecting that he would be flagging off India's first Vande Bharat sleeper train that connects from Howrah with Guwahati?
Well, absolutely. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on two-day visit to West Bengal, and on his first stop, he will be flagging off the country's first sleeper Vande Bharat Express from Malda. But ahead of the inauguration program of the Vande Bharat Express, the Eastern Railway authorities have written to the police station Kaliachowk in Malda district and have sought adequate security because they apprehend that as soon as the train departs from Malda, there could be stone pelting. The letter also says that some black flags could be shown to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as a result of which the district authorities and the police officials must deploy adequate security all through the route.
All right. Well, security that has now been sought as far as the entire route is now concerned. There are apprehensions that there could be stone pelting on the new train as far as when it comes to certain incidents of stone pelting and the train coming under attack have been noted ever since when we are looking at, especially with the Vande Bharat, so citing security concerns and seeking for adequate security. That seems to be a demand that is now coming forth as far as Prime Minister's upcoming visit is concerned. Let's in the meantime also take a look how Prime Minister Narendra Modi now seems to be looking forward to his visit to West Bengal, and he's now said that I'm eagerly awaiting for the opportunity to go to the people of Malda and surrounding areas at BJP's rally. Every day some new example of TMC's misrule is now coming to fore. The people of West Bengal are thoroughly fed up with the TMC's governance and are ready to reject this government. The people want development-oriented BJP government. So as far as taking when it comes to a political message, because this year itself, Rajesh, that we're looking at how, you know, politically motivated and politically loaded messages that are now coming in from both sides at the center stage when we are looking at the fight between ED and the TMC now seems to be as far as one of the latest issues that has now happened when the Prime Minister will also be visiting West Bengal today.
Exactly. He will not only hold the government of events, he will hold several political meetings in Malda and Shingur. We should remember Shingur, the political meeting in Shingur will be more significant because, Tata Motors had left from Shingur in 2006. And since then, the land were handed over to the farmers, but they couldn't cultivate the land because it was not able to do anymore after getting the land after 2009. So right now, the people of Shingur are waiting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. They are looking. They are looking for the Prime Minister's rally in Shingur right now. And TMC is now has already started attacking BJP. Bharatiya Janata Party, saying that they are migrant birds. Whenever election comes in West Bengal, the migrant birds starts coming in Bengal, like Narendra Modi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, and they will be coming West Bengal since the election is going to be announced in next few months. That is the version of Trinamool Congress regarding the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rally in Shingur and Malda.
All right, but as far as when it comes to the development projects are also concerned, this seems to be the Vikas push that the Prime Minister is also talking about as far as the series of projects that would be founded also when it comes to the foundation stone laying that will be done by the Prime Minister, and of course the gift of Vande Bharat that the people will be receiving at the hands of the Prime Minister today. Rajesh? The Vikas push that the Prime Minister is going to give to the people of West Bengal today.
Yes, of course. Prime Minister will be flagging off first sleeper Vande Bharat Express from Malda today. Not only that, he will be inaugurating many more rail projects which can boost the rail connectivity of West Bengal along with the other states. Because this Vande Bharat will be boarding from Howrah to Guwahati via Kamakha, and not only that, he will be inaugurating many road projects of central government, and following which Narendra Modi is also scheduled to hold another program in Shingur tomorrow, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be inaugurating many projects of more than 700 crore from the West Bengal for West Bengal. And not only that, Prime Minister is going to give many gifts to people of Bengal just before the election, and following which TMC is now saying that BJP is already.
The Prime Minister will be in Malda today. As far as when it comes to his connect with the people is concerned, in the afternoon he is expected to flag off India's first Vande Bharat sleeper train that connects Howrah with Guwahati at Kamakya at Malda Town Railway Station. Let's in the meantime take a look at this video. While this is now expected to enhance affordable and reliable long-distance rail connectivity,